Companies pay hundreds to even thousands of dollars every month just for data entry work. Today, I'm going to show you an AI that can do almost all of that job in seconds. And the crazy part? Most people have no idea this exists. Data entry sounds simple, but in reality, it is extremely repetitive and time-consuming. Copying information from websites, Excel sheets, PDFs, emails, and forms takes hours every single day. That's why businesses hire full-time employees just for this one task. But that is changing right now, because this AI doesn't just help with data entry, it actually extracts, cleans, and organizes data automatically. Let me show you something powerful. The tool is called Bardeen AI. It is an AI automation tool that can remove manual data entry work almost completely. With Bardeen AI, you can extract data from websites automatically, copy leads from LinkedIn or directories into Google Sheets, turn messy information into clean, structured tables, automate repetitive copy-paste tasks, and save data directly into Excel, Notion, or CRM tools. Imagine you find a website with hundreds of business listings. Normally, you would open each page, copy names one by one, paste into Excel, and manually organize everything. That can take hours. But with Bardeen AI, you simply select the data source, run the automation, and it automatically fills your spreadsheet in seconds. No typing, no manual copying, no formatting stress. Just instant structured data. But here's what makes it even more interesting. This tool doesn't only handle simple data entry. It can also scrape LinkedIn profiles, collect emails from websites, build lead lists automatically, and integrate with Google Sheets or CRM systems. Meaning it's not just replacing data entry, it's replacing entire parts of admin and research work. Think about this. Companies pay virtual assistants anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per month, just for data entry and lead management. But with Bardeen AI, a large portion of that work can be automated. This means businesses save money, freelancers work faster, and beginners can offer services without advanced skills. But here's something most people misunderstand. This AI is not replacing all jobs. It is replacing the boring, repetitive parts of jobs. And that's actually more powerful, because whoever uses it becomes 10 times faster than everyone else. So instead of asking, will AI replace jobs, start asking, which AI tools can replace repetitive work for me? Because the people who use tools like this early will always stay ahead. In the next video, I'll show you an AI tool that can replace lead generation work completely. And that one is even more powerful than this. If you want more AI tools like this, subscribe and stay ahead. Thanks for watching.